My name's Gareth White. I'm the company director or owner of G White Logging Limited, based here in Tokoroa. This is our first Volvo that we've purchased. It's a EC300 with the Sacco processing head on it. I've always dealt with TDX while I've been in business. That support and knowledge is good to be involved with. Ewan Satherley, he's got a practical background in logging. Yeah, he understands what we need. He knows what he's talking about. And to me, that's always a big part of it. And he's been involved with the setup of the guarding and whatnot with these. That's a big plus for me.
This particular EC300 here for Gareth White is the first in the world to have the Volvo factory-built straight boom and arm, the logger version. It's been an exciting project to be involved with Volvo, helping the design and the implementation of the whole package, right through from the guarding and the base machine now through to having a factory available forestry boom.
We run a lot of purpose-built forestry equipment, so the straight logger boom gives us more reach. It's good for lift and designed for the environment we work in. Given that I was looking for a machine with a straight boom and in the size range, this one was ready to go straight out of the box. Purpose-built, straight off the yard in Taupo. So we employ 50 people. We run a workshop based in Tokoroa, 4 mechanics. We have 4 logging crews, 3 of them cable operations, 1 ground base, and we also run a handful of logging trucks. We generally do a lot of the steep terrain, cable logging, winch assist felling. I had a little drive of the machine when we first got it, something different. I like to see what it goes like myself. Yeah, nice and quiet, smooth, surprised by the power. We run a lot of bigger equipment. This is one of our smaller harvesters, but no, so far I've been impressed. Inside the cab is noticeably quiet. Controls have a good feel to them. Yeah, it's a good layout. TDX have the local industry knowledge, which goes a long way to helping me make my decisions.